here today. Got something special going on. I'm making my Cajun burgers on the bayou. These are some stretch burgers, I call them. Everybody calls them stretch to you later. Watch the video. The video's coming up next. Oh, yeah. Alright, the video's over. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that this is the way that you make your burgers in the future. These are Cajun burgers. We make them on the bayou. And let me tell you what, this is what I got. This is what I got to offer right here. Look at here. I done made me a little burger. I hate to talk with food in my mouth, but it's too damn good. Later, y'all.